$100 million worth of crypto is in more than 100 million worth of crypto could be at risk due to a bug impacting Curve, a stablecoin exchange at the center of Ethereum's DeFi ecosystem. So this is very dramatic. Not every day in crypto is a fun day, and we are speaking right now technically about the things, and I show you also what I'm doing with my trades. Technically speaking, it's getting also very dangerous, Bratans. I have to be honest, but there's one positive news. I will share it later. First, let's speak about the bad things. You see here, we formed a bearish divergence on the weekly, which is really not good, because you see here the price is going up while the RSI is going down. Bearish divergence you always measure from the upside, the bullish from the downside. So this is a clear bearish divergence right now on the weekly. This is not what we want to see, but we not only see this on the Bitcoin chart, we see also on the S&P 500. S&P 500 is the leading indicator for Bitcoin, and here is a very dramatic bearish divergence, man. This makes me very concerned, and a little bit I have also some brown stains in my trousers when I see this, because you see here the price is clear going down while the RSI is going up on the S&P 500. And S&P 500, S&P 500, AMG, S&P 500 is the leading indicator for Bitcoin, and we are heavily overbought. I want to see a cool down. I really want to see a cool down, but it's not happening. So there is only a clear way. It's a cool down, and this cool down could look like a huge dump, Bratans. And with this technical analysis, we see also this fucking news that more than 100 million worth of crypto could be at risk. So let's speak how low we can go. I mean, this bearish divergence can only be invalid if the S&P 500 breaking the previous high, the really high of 4,857. This will be crazy. If this happened, then Bitcoin will run to 50K. But I think we should see a cool down here. But let us speak how low we can go. So let's speak about the worst case, right? So we are jumping on the logarithmic chart and we are watching the big picture. So to understand the full picture, we have to watch the full picture, the big picture. We are right now in this rising channel. In case we are breaking it down at 28,700, the worst case would be this red line at around 17,500, which would be nearly the bottom. So yes, we could go as low as 70,500. It would be 40% dump. But before we go so low, AMG, we have some support lines. And these support lines I want to share with you, because one of the bigger support lines is here at, it is the CME gap, which is still not closed at around 21,500, 21,100, let's say 21,000. It's still not closed. So yes, we can break down here to the level of 21,000. It would be 26%. So much better than 40%, right? But before we are reaching 21K, we still have a lot of support lines. And one of the biggest support line is, in my opinion, this weekly and 20 moving average. So weekly 200 moving average and monthly 100 moving average at around 25,700. So yes, there is the possibility we can go as low as 25,500. 12% dump possibility, not so worse like 30 or 40%, but this could happen. In case we are breaking the weekly and monthly support line and this huge volume zone, 23,500, then obviously we'll see Bitcoin to 21,100. In case we're breaking 21,100, then I'm expecting Bitcoin to go to 70,500 as I showed below. So, and now AMG, and you want to hear the good news. And the good news is coming from the total crypto market cap. Yes, from the total crypto market cap is coming the good news, because the total crypto market cap, this is what it's like it's like shining bright, like if you're bleaching your anus. Look at this. If we are watching right now on the weekly chart, bam, what we see a bullish divergence. We see bullish divergence finally. Here is it. You see the RSI is going down, but the price is but the price is going up. Yeah, you don't see it maybe uh, very clear because you're blind on the one eye, but it's okay. You see the RSI is going down while the price is going up. So you measure bullish divergence always from the downside, bearish from the upside, bullish from the downy side. Yes, you're right. So this makes me very happy to see this because the total crypto market cap, this is how we clearly identified the bottom of this bear market, because I told you as soon as we touch the previous high of the bull market 2018, so this little thing, you see it here, this will be the bottom, and after we see a relief rally, and this is exactly what we saw. So this make me very happy to see this, and we are still in this symmetrical triangle. If we're zooming in, the symmetrical triangle with the yellow line, I mean not the big one, I mean with the yellow line. So we are coming here, it's coming to an end of start of August. So in case we are breaking this to the upside, then we are expecting total crypto market of $1.5 trillion because of the big symmetrical triangle, right? $1.5 trillion means Bitcoin 35K. In case we are breaking it down at $1.1 trillion, then we are expecting the total crypto market of $1 trillion, and this would be nearly what we saw in June 16th, was also around $1 trillion market cap. It would mean Bitcoin at least at 25K. 25K. Why 25K? Because at 25K, we saw it here on, wait a minute, here we saw it in June. You see at 25K, and the weekly and monthly 100 moving average is at 25K. So this is what we could see. What makes me also very in a good mood is to see that we see here the funding rates are going down. Not everywhere on Binance, still quite positive, but on Bybit, you see it's turning negative. On Huobi, Gate.io, and DYDX. Now on CoinX, you see it's going down. It's going down, and this is very good. So I show you here my trades. Right now, I still in my long position. LDO is $300 in a loss, 29% in loss, and Aave is $1,500 in a loss. These are swing trades, and I expecting still Aave. I show you quickly Aave. I still expecting Aave to bounce to the upside. I mean, wait a minute here. Let me quickly show you. I remain in this position. So for day traders, yes, it's possibly a short opportunity to the level of $62, 9.6% case Bitcoin further dropping down, or even to $60. But I remain in a swing position. It means I'm holding for several days because I'm expecting at least or latest at October, end of October, a break to the upside. Break to the downside is not really possible. I mean, a fake out, yes, but I mean, we would be at $28. I don't expect this, to be honest, but it could happen. What I'm much more expecting, latest at end of October, that we will see Aave to go at around the price target of $150, $160, which would be from here on a price of a long position of 160% swing trade, but it's only swing trade. You can use, if you want, you can use, you know it, $1,000 free long position on Bybit. Just claim the bonus link down below. You don't have to use your own money, even, or you have to deposit $100 and you get $1,000 bonus. So an amazing deal, Bertans. So if you have any questions, write me down below. Thank you everyone for watching, Bertans. I kiss you and I see you later. Mwah.